Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's quick video, I will show you how to install Tampermonkey extension on Google Chrome browser and safely install the Userscript from Greasy Fork. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. So the question is, what exactly Tampermonkey does? Tampermonkey is a user script manager. It lets you run small custom scripts that change how website behaves, like adding features, automating tasks, or removing unwanted elements. In your Google Chrome browser, just go ahead and type Tampermonkey for Chrome and press enter. Here, please go to official Chrome Web Store and click on Tampermonkey Chrome Web Store. Now you will get this button to add it to Google Chrome. Just click on Add to Chrome. Again, click on Add Extension. Now Tampermonkey will shortly add it to your Google Chrome. So once Tampermonkey is installed in your browser, click on this extension bar and pin the Tampermonkey in your browser. Once you pin this extension, just click on it and make sure it's enabled. Once it's enabled, please go to the dashboard. Now here you will get the list of installed script in Tampermonkey. And if you have a script, you could just go ahead and click on this plus icon and paste the script directly here. And then go to File and save the script. But if you don't have your own script, just go to the website that is Greasy Fork Scripts. Type this in your browser, go to Greasy Fork official website. Now on Greasy Fork website, we already have done the step 1 installing Tampermonkey. Let's scroll down and go to browse this site to find a user script you want to try. Let's click on it. And here we got all the Greasy Fork script that we could install to Tampermonkey. And if you didn't find your script in the list, you could go ahead search for script here as well. Let me search remove ads. Here I got a different script. Let's say I want to install remove ads switch. Let's click on it and then click on install this script. Now here again, please go ahead and click on install. Once it's installed, let's go to the install user script on Tampermonkey and refresh the page. And here you could see remove add switch script is installed and this is working perfectly. And here you could go ahead and enable or disable this script. And if you want to do any adjustment in this script, just go to edit button. And once you are done, just go ahead and click on save. Now here is a quick safety warning. Please note only install script from trusted sources like Greasy Fork. Avoid unknown or suspicious scripts because they may be unsafe or violate website rules. If this guide helped you to set up Tampermonkey and install scripts safely, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.